I'm here to tell you about the key features of the double post mounting system developed by Grace Solar. This product is a top choice for large-scale ground power plants, suitable to all kinds of terrains. High-quality carbon steel sections used as support braces ensure the system's integrity and safety of operation. Well thought out design with prefabricated connection of foundation and braces saves installation time, which can be further decreased with pile machines assistance, allowing to install this product with at least 50% faster speed compared to the ground screw mounting systems. Adjustable top cap can conveniently rotate in 3 directions with a wide operational angle and is suitable for any kind of sloped or uneven ground. System's tilt angle is from 0 to 45 degrees and installation height is up to 4 metres. Solar modules can be installed either in portrait or landscape orientation, depending on the project requirements. The system allows post-construction adjustments. If required, height can be changed to 10mm and angle deviation can be adjusted up to 2 degrees in either north-south or east-west directions. For this product, we chose the most durable and reliable materials, both for main and small system parts. Mounting rails, beams and clamps from high-strength AL6005 aluminium in T5 temper, braces and posts from carbon steel, and fasteners from SUS A270 stainless steel. All aluminium parts are anodised and carbon steel elements are hot-dip galvanised to withstand corrosion. The system can be mounted either on carbon steel piles or on concrete foundation. Both will reliably ensure the system's integrity and operational stability. High mechanical strength allows the product to withstand up to 46 metres per second wind and up to 1.4 kN per square metre snow load. Confident in the quality of our products, we offer 10 years warranty for this system. 𝐊𝐞𝐲 Grace Solar Technology Company is a leading manufacturer of photovoltaic mounting systems. Use of the latest technologies and innovations always helps us to keep pace with the industry. We are devoted to manufacturing and marketing the steadiest, most reliable and cost-effective solar mounting solutions to our customers. As one of the largest PV solar products exporters in China, Grace Solar has already installed its products in more than 100 countries and regions since its foundation. Grace Solar brought forward the standardised and internationalised management concept at the very beginning of its establishment. Introduction of international management systems such as advanced product quality planning, failure modes and effects analysis, ISO 9001 to 2015, management systems analysis, statistical process control and others allowed the company to excel in R&D, manufacturing, marketing and customer service.